Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need an active Shutterstock contributor account and accurate payout details. Once logged in, focus on selection. Pick 20 to 50 images that serve commercial needs, people, objects, textures, and lifestyle shots, because variety boosts visibility. Make sure files are JPEG, sRGB, and meet minimum resolution and aspect ratio requirements. This reduces rejections. Next, batch process basic edits, exposure, noise reduction, and crop for both 3, 2, and 16, 9 so uploads go smoothly and pass initial checks. Now you optimize how Shutterstock discovers your work. Write concise, accurate titles and add 10 to 50 keywords focusing on primary subjects first, then secondary elements and moods. This improves search rank. If people or private property appear, upload signed releases to prevent legal holds and widen licensing options. Use categories and batch keyword templates to maintain consistency. Doing so saves time and boosts relevance. Also, flag editorial images correctly so they appear in the right marketplace. Accuracy equals sales. Upload your prepared batches and monitor Shutterstock feedback. When an image is rejected, read the reason and correct issues. Sometimes color profile or release problems are the cause. Once approved, promote your contributor page through social channels and niche blogs to drive external traffic and increase downloads. Monitor analytics monthly to see top sellers and weak performers, then adjust keywords, shooting subjects, and style accordingly. If uploads stall, rework metadata and resubmit after 48 hours. Many fixes turn a rejection into a sale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.